In a city gripped by fear, a dangerous triple-shooting suspect leads police on a heart-pounding high-speed chase. Little did he know, this adrenaline-fueled pursuit would end in a fiery spectacle that would test the bravery and heroism of our dedicated police officers. Our story begins as the sun sets on the city skyline. The suspect, wanted for a series of violent crimes, races through the streets, desperately trying to evade capture. Sirens blare as police cars pursue him, their lights flashing in the darkness. The suspect weaves in and out of traffic, narrowly avoiding collisions with innocent bystanders. The tension builds as the chase reaches dangerous speeds, pushing the limits of both man and machine. Suddenly, disaster strikes. The suspect loses control of his vehicle and crashes into a tree with a thunderous impact. The car crumples, smoke billowing from the engine. Flames quickly engulf the wreckage, turning the scene into a fiery inferno. As the flames intensify, brave police officers rush to the scene, their training and instincts kicking into high gear. With no regard for their own safety, they approach the burning car, determined to save the suspect from certain death. Amidst the chaos and danger, these courageous men and women work together, pulling the suspect from the wreckage just moments before the flames consume the vehicle entirely. As the smoke clears and the adrenaline subsides, the suspect is taken into custody, his reign of terror finally brought to an end. The city breathes a collective sigh of relief, grateful for the bravery and dedication of its police force. In the face of danger, these officers put their lives on the line to protect and serve. Their selflessness and heroism remind us that even in the darkest of times, there are those who will always rise to the occasion. Join us next time for another gripping tale of courage and resilience. Until then, stay safe and remember to appreciate the everyday heroes who keep our city secure.
Hey, where's that at?